Hey everyone, this is Soini from Dabble Lab, and in this tutorial, as I said earlier, we're going to integrate the Amazon Comprehend sentiment method in our Alexa skill. So I've created a template already for you, and in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the code and how you can get some great outputs out of it. Alright, so let's get started. So this is the GitHub repo that we are going to be using. So the first thing that we're going to do is hit on code and copy this and get back to our console and create a skill. Let's say sentiment analyzer. That's in there. Alrighty. So let's set the language to English US, and that's it. Let's go ahead and create a skill. Then here we're going to hit on import skill and import this and import. So this is going to take a couple of seconds, so we're going to hold on tight till then, and I'm going to tell you what we're doing today. So we are typically using the sentiment method of the Amazon Comprehend APIs, and this method returns whether a user's sentiment is positive, negative, mixed, or neutral. Any of the four sentiments. So I think this would be a great use case for therapies or for doctors, or you can just create a skill for your friend so that they can keep noting their sentiments and they can keep talking to the skill and analyze their sentiments time to time. So that's what I can think of. So yeah, what about you? You have any thoughts? If you have any thoughts, if you think that this is a great example, I would love to see them on the chats below. So yeah, let's wait for a couple of more seconds and it is done. Great. So let's check the invocation name. It's sentiment analyzer. So here we've got a slot. So when we are, let's go to the code and let's find out. So this is our code. So before you get started, the very first thing that you're going to do is get inside of your config.json file, which is this. And you have to make sure that you have kept your access ID, secret access key, and region in here. So I quite well remember using the secret access key that we used the other day, which is going to be this. And this is going to be whole fit. There it is, and the region's going to be US East 1. That's it, and you deploy this. So I will just do a double check on my AWS console to see if this key is active. So I will sign into the console and I will check my credentials. I will click in here and log in and find out my security credentials. That's it. And this CAPTCHA. That's it. Great. So here we're signing in and here we are. Great. Now when you click on this and go to security credentials, there you go. Here is your access key. So this was it, U4. Let me check if I've used this. No, it's a different access key. So I gotta create a new access key. I think that'd be better. So that's my new access key. I will close it and I will open that access key. Make sure that you never share this information with anybody, because anybody can use this in any of the services that they use from Amazon, and then you're gonna fall into serious trouble. I will tell that. So make sure that you never share these informations with anybody. That's it. Now you deploy this and there you get back. Alrighty, so it's Okay, it's active and you can see the service was last used in comprehend, and this is your region, so make sure to keep this. In your case, the region could be different, so make sure what you're using. I've done that. Now let's take a look at the code. So I've imported the config.json file, which consists of the keys, and I've also imported the AWS SDK, and then I have a comprehend imported, and this is my launch intent. So initially my skill is going to say, welcome, let's analyze your sentiment today, go on, tell us something, and then we can like keep telling. So this is the function where we have where we are trying to make the call. So this is what we're passing. These are the parameters. So the parameters for sentiment would be language code and the text, which is going to be the sentence, and this sentence is a slot. So we created a custom slot. So this particular slot has got a very good use case, and that is, wait, I will show you. So this particular slot, built-in slot, this can be used for storing random sentences, which could be a bit longer and could be random. We can store them inside of this, so I've done that, and that creates this this slot statement, and we're storing it inside of sentence, and then we're making the call, and then it's returning the response, whether it's positive or it's negative or whatsoever. So now let's go ahead and take a quick look at testing this skill out. We'll head on the test console and turn this thing on. Turn the stage to development. Oh, I gotta sign out and sign in because this is gonna give me errors if I don't. That's it. So we're gonna go to test tab now, and there you go. Great. Now let's do sentiment analyzer.
Welcome. Let's analyze your sentiment today. Go on, tell us something.
I feel so good today. I am nervous, but I'm nervous.
That's negative.
Because I have a job interview. I feel terrible.
That's negative.
Okay, I will not take stress.
That's positive.
Cool, so did you see that? Now let me just give an example of mixed feeling. I feel optimistic and scared. Let's see what it gives us.
That's positive.
Oh, I feel optimistic, but unfortunately the situation makes me feel lonely. Let me see what this gives out. It should give out mixed. That's mixed. I told you that's gonna give you that's mixed. Alrighty, so we just got a set of all the kinds of emotions, sentiments, negative, positive, mixed, neutral. We didn't get neutral, that's easy, that's your homework. You can get a neutral statement. So this is how this is working. So you can also build a similar skill which has got more functionalities, which has got more effectiveness in this, and you can make an amazing skill out of this template. I bet you can do that. So in this part we're going to take sentiment, we can do detect entities, and we can utilize that to do something else, and I'm gonna do that in the next tutorial, which is gonna come up again next week. So stay tuned till then and have a great rest of your day. Wait for a new tutorial that's coming up next week and that's gonna lighten you up, and yeah, I will see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye bye.